Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Remember these mangoes and garden fresh mint that we had used to make the chutney or sauce or dip for onion bhaji in the video earlier? A question arose where friends wanted the recipe of mango, mint and curd chutney dip or sauce, which we had served with onion bhaji. Today's video is how to make mango, mint and curd chutney dip sauce, or it can also be used as a raita. So before we start, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. To start with, mango, our first ingredient. Take the pulp of mango, 1 mango or 100 grams and blend. Once blended, fine, and dish it out and move it into the fridge. And when done, now for our second ingredient, curd, whisked and lump free. Again, same quantity as mango. And now our third major ingredient, mint chutney or dip, same quantity again or as per as your taste. Garden fresh mint, garden fresh cilantro or parsley or both, and garden fresh green chilies as per as your taste. I have taken 2. Now again add them to a blender or a pestle or a mortar and blend. But before we blend, black or any natural salt as per as your taste, red chili powder again as per as your taste, coriander powder again as per as your taste, cumin seeds again as per as your taste. Blend or grind them into a fine finish. There we are. That is what it looks like. And dish it out, set aside in a fridge, otherwise it will change its color. Combine the mango, mint and curd chutney dip sauce or raita. Now add the curd to a bowl, add the mango pulp and add the mint chutney dip or sauce. Stir well to mix well. Wow, what a marvelous color, fragrance and texture. But wait, add rock salt or any natural salt, freshly grounded cumin and red chili powder. Stir well to mix well. Wow, look at that color, look at that texture. Now taste to add any corrections if required. Well, none. What a marvelous color, fragrance and texture. Move it to the fridge immediately. Now, when required to be served, garnish and serve as chutney dip or sauce with any snacks or starters or as a filling or stuffing or as such as a raita. And remember to serve all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.